Ever wondered how an air compressor transforms ordinary air into a powerful tool? It's an intriguing process, and today you're going to understand it all. An air compressor at its simplest is a device that collects air, compresses it, and stores it for use in myriad applications. The process may seem straightforward, but the science behind it is a fascinating blend of physics, engineering, and a little bit of magic. So, how does it all begin? It starts with the intake. When the compressor is turned on, it begins to suck in air. This air is drawn through a filter, which removes any dust, dirt, or other particles that could damage the compressor's internal components. Next up is the compression stage. The air, now free of impurities, is forced into a compression chamber. Here, the magic truly begins. The compressor uses a piston, much like the ones you'd find in your car's engine, to compress the air. As the piston moves down, it creates a vacuum that sucks in more air. When it moves up, it compresses the air, increasing its pressure. The compressed air isn't immediately ready for use, though. It's hot, and it's full of moisture. So the next step is cooling. The air travels through a series of tubes or a radiator where it cools down. This is crucial because cool air can hold less moisture than warm air. As the air cools, the excess moisture condenses and is drained out of the system. After cooling, the air moves into the storage tank. Here, it waits until it's needed. The size of the storage tank can vary, but the principle remains the same. It holds the compressed air until it's called into action. The tank is equipped with a pressure gauge and a safety valve. The pressure gauge shows how much pressure the air inside the tank is under, while the safety valve is a crucial safety feature that releases air if the pressure inside the tank becomes dangerously high. To summarize, an air compressor works in 4 key stages: intake, compression, cooling, and storage. It begins by drawing in air and filtering it. Next, it compresses the air using a piston. After compression, the air is cooled and any excess moisture is removed. Finally, the air is stored in a tank until it's needed. This process, while seemingly straightforward, is a testament to human ingenuity. An air compressor takes something as simple and abundant as air and turns it into a source of power that fuels countless industries. From construction sites to auto repair shops, from hospitals to your own garage, air compressors are everywhere, silently powering our world. Understanding how an air compressor works not only satisfies curiosity, but also allows us to appreciate the complex engineering and scientific principles that go into making our modern world possible. So next time you see an air compressor at work, remember the journey the air has taken, from intake to storage, to become the force that powers our world.